Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to take the top down on this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to start at the back, open the rear gate. We want to take this rear window out. So we're going to come over here and I'm just going to disconnect this underneath here. Just slide that up. We'll do the same on the other side. Just fold it up, just like that. We need to loosen up the zipper on this side. Unzipper to that part, and we're gonna just grab this bar. We're gonna rotate it out. I'll slide this inside and then undo the zipper all the way. Slide it out. Now you can take this bar out. This slides out. Then you can roll this window up for storage or place it in a safe place. You don't want to scratch it. Next, we're going to take these little brackets out. To get these out, just grab on the back side and rotate. It will unclip, just like that. Do the same for this side. Just rotate it. Take that off. Next, we're going to do the side windows. Just take this Velcro off. We're going to open the rear door as well. Unzipper this. Like that. Pull that out. Then we're going to slide it out over here. Fold it down. Should slide right out. Again, be careful not to scratch these. Put them in a safe location. Do the same with this side. Pull the Velcro off. Open the back door. Undo the zipper. Pull this out over here. Pull that one out. Set it aside. Underneath here, we're gonna grab. You can pull down on this a little bit. We're gonna pull it out from underneath there. We're gonna do that on both sides. Just like that. Do the same on this side. Pull it down, slide it out. It's a little bit tricky, just like that. At this point, we're going to go to the front. Pull down your visors, just move them over to the side. And there's two clips right here. Pull that one off, pull that one off. push up on the top. can fold over, just like that. And then there's a release over here. Push down on the release on this side. Then I'll just let it sit on the release so I can walk to the other side. Push that down. And we can take and fold it back, just like that. And all right, when I'm gonna remove the top, there is a bracket right here. There's some Torx bolts right there. I'm actually gonna take these two bolts out first. These happen to be 10mm bolts. I believe these are aftermarket bolts. I would assume that they're on most vehicles, they're gonna be a Torx bolt because everything else is Torx, but on this vehicle it happens to be 10mm, so use a 10mm socket. I'm gonna loosen these up. Take these two out. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So I'm gonna leave the bracket attached to the frame of the Jeep. Just like that. Take those out. All right. So at this point, I'm just gonna slide the top up. Just grab the whole top, slide it up, and I can slip it out of the brackets, just pull up on it, and slide it out. Next, we're going to take these two brackets off. There's 3 screws. You just do them by hand. Take this one off as well. This one's going to be a shorter one. And the 2 longer ones are on the outside. Before I take that long one out, though, you just grab this bracket right here, slide it out. Just slides outwards. And I'll take this one off. Unscrew that. And then this is gonna pop up over here, slide out, and it's gonna slide up. There is a pin under there. And these actually fold for better storage. And I'm gonna do the same for the other side.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.